Hey guys, I'm back with another video of low competition high demand gig. If you are watching this video, then you know what Fiverr is. Here you can become a freelancer of various fields like graphic and design, and if you are good at digital marketing, then you can go for this: writing and translation, video and animation, music and video, programming and tech, and many more categories. So if you are a beginner in make money online field, then you must try Fiverr, as it is one of the easiest method to make money online as a beginner. And today I'll tell you 5 low competition high demand gig so that you can also start some earning in this particular platform, that is Fiverr. So let's dive into this. So the first gig is Bitcoin logo, and if you will go to Fiverr, then just search Bitcoin logo, and there you will see 26 services available. And here you can see few people are earning from this simple work. And here you can see this person: I'll design Bitcoin logo with source file, I'll design cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain, token, etc. They're all starting from $5 or $10. Here you can see almost every person in this page has got an order, and this is a great opportunity for you all to make a gig on this, that is Bitcoin logo. As you know, Bitcoin is really trending nowadays. So let's see this person profile, and here you can see this person basic package is of $10, standard is of $15, and premium is of $35. So same like this person, you can also earn money. And here you can see his last delivery is about 22 hours ago. So yeah, this work is popular nowadays. So let's see how you can make these kinds of logo. So for that, just go to YouTube, and there just search for logo design, and there are many videos related to that particular topic, and you can easily learn how to design a good attractive logo from these videos. Many people don't have any computer or laptop, so for that just search for logo design in mobile, and after that there will be many videos from which you can easily learn logo design in mobile. So just make a gig on this particular topic. So now let's move to our next gig, and that is Bitcoin website. As you know, Bitcoin is really trending nowadays, so there are many people who are offering Bitcoin website, Bitcoin news website. You can see this time Dogecoin is very popular, so people are really keen to know about Bitcoins, so they search for Bitcoin news. That's why many people are making Bitcoin news website, and there you can see 462 services available. So it's pretty decent competition, and here you can make these kinds of gig and can easily grab some money. And if you are from computer background, if you have good knowledge of web designing, then this work is very simple for you. As I am from BTech background, so I know this. You can generate website within few minutes within few hours. And don't worry if you don't know anything about web designing, then just go to YouTube, and there just search for news website Nayyar Sheikh, and there you will get this video. This is an amazing video. This person is very good tutor, and he is really amazing. So you can watch his video and see whether this can help you to generate similar Bitcoin news website or not. And to be honest, web designing is not too much difficult, so you can easily get tons of courses in YouTube only, and you can watch them and make a brand new website for your clients. Now the next gig is football articles. If you are a football lover, then this is best for you, and here you can see 134 services available. And to be honest, if you have any knowledge about football, then you can make a gig on this topic. And if you don't know anything about football, then I'll tell you later in this video how you can grab some articles about football for free and make some edits and use them. Let's see what this person is providing. So just click on this profile, and here you can see its basic package is of $5, standard package is of $10, that is 700 words, and premium package is of $20, that is 1400 words. So here you can see one orders in queue, and he completed 22 orders till now. And let's see last delivery, and that is 2 days ago. Now the question is how to write an article. So if you don't know about football, just go to Google and there just type football PLR articles. So there will be tons of websites from which you can grab some articles which are pre-written, and you can easily edit them and write in your own language and submit it to your client. This is one of the example of PLR websites, and here you can see there are many sports articles, and you can easily grab some articles from here. Similarly, there are many more websites of PLR articles, and similarly you can go for cricket articles also. If you are a cricket lover like me, then you can go for this. And here you can see this person is also ranking in the first page for this keyword also, that is cricket articles. Now let's move to our next gig, and that is mug design. And here you can see there are only 812 services available. So this is a huge opportunity for you all to make a gig on this particular keyword. And here you can see there are many people earning thousands of dollars with the help of this gig. And here you can see there are many profiles, like let's see this person profile. Let's click on this, and here it is. And here you can see there are 2 orders in queue, and 122 orders are completed. And here you can see basic packages of $20, and standard is of $50, and premium is of $100. So here you can see this is a great opportunity for you all. And let's see what's the last delivery of this madam, and it's about 12 hours ago. And here you can see she is from India, my country. It's good to see someone from my country. And so if you want to make these kinds of designs, so just go to canva.com. it's a free website, and there just search for mugs, and there you will see many designs which you can select and edit accordingly. Here you can see there are many designs, like you can choose any one from this, like let me choose one, and this is really good. A few days back there was a Mother's Day, so let's see this design, and just click on this. Now just click on this, use this template, and here we are. Here you can see you can edit these images. You can, instead of this image, you can put your mother and your any image from here, and you can edit this word also, like Insodea and something like that. You can change anything from this. And if you want to change this whole thing, if you can easily do that. If you want to change its background, just click on this, and here from here you can change anything, whatever you need, you can change it. And from here you can upload photos, you can add text, and you can also change the background. And once you done with all these things, just click on this download button, and after that just download it and just provide the design to your client. Now similarly there are many other designs which you can provide to your client. Here you can see there are many designs, and these are all free of cost. So just make the gig today and start earning. Now let's move to our next gig, and that is motivation quotes. Here you can see there are only 1905 services available, and many people are earning thousands of dollars with the help of this simple and you can say copy and paste work. And I'll tell you how you can do that. So the first method is just go to Google, and there just search for motivational quotes Pixabay, and there you will see this link. Click on that, and after that here you can see there are many quotes which are free of cost, and you don't have to pay any penny to download these posts. And you can easily scroll down and see many more images here. This is a free website, and Pixabay provide royalty free images, so there is no issue of any copyright thing. And here you can see whatever image you like, you just download it. Let's say you want this image, so just click on this, and after that you'll be redirected to this page. Here just click on this free download button, and after that there will be many options. Accordingly choose any of the option. I'll prefer this 5.8 MB, but for now let's stick to this and click on this download button, and after that your photo will be downloaded. So whatever picture you like, just download it from Pixabay. Now let's see the next method from which you can download motivational post or quotes, and that is from canva.com. Here you can see if you will search motivational quotes social graphic, there will be tons of posts which you can easily download. They all are free of cost, and you can provide these things to your client, and all are motivational quotes, so there is no need to edit these images. If till now you enjoyed this video, please do thumbs up, and there is something to show you. Let's see what is it. So here we are. This is the analytics of my brand new Facebook page, and here you can see from 5th to 11th May I got 297k minutes, and without even making any content I got this. Let me show you from 6th to 12th May how much watch time I got, and here you can see I got almost half of the required watch time, 340.7k minutes viewed, and we need 600k minutes. So in just few days, that is from 6th to 12th May, I got this much watch time. And yeah, I haven't made any content for this page, and all this traffic is organic. And here you can see I got 43,000 minute something today, and here you can see yesterday I got 537 minutes, and on 6th May I got 1426, and gradually it is increasing. And yesterday was my peak day, and everything is organic, no paid promotions. So if you want to know how I does this, comment below and I'll definitely make a video on that. And also if you want me to make a paid course for the serious people who really want to grow on Facebook and monetize their Facebook page, then also please let me know in the comment section. So that's the wrap for this video. If you like this video, please do thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See ya.